Goyal Brothers Prakashan presents Illustrative Mathematics, a fully NEP and NCF-aligned textbook series for classes 1 to 5 that employs the Panchabdi approach and encourages Praman and Panchkosha-based learning and development. The series also offers online resources such as animated video lessons, interactive exercises, and chapter-wise worksheets that can be accessed by just a simple scan and strives to equip students with 21st century skills. Let's explore what's inside the book. Every chapter begins with a warm-up exercise to recall concepts that you have already learned or know, and that will help students learn the topic or chapter. Then we move on to learn a new topic. Every topic is written in an easy-to-understand language with neat diagrams wherever possible and a QR code against it to access animated lessons for enhanced understanding. Once students have learned some concepts, practice exercises follow with plenty of questions with a lot of variety that help build a better grasp. Some facts and concepts are very important to understanding the chapter or topic. That's why remember boxes are peppered across every chapter to highlight such points. Besides practicing after the topic questions, there are other types of practice exercises as well that are based on the Panchkosha Vikas for spiritual, life energy, intellectual, emotional, and physical development and employ the Praman framework of testimony, non-perception, presumption, analogy, inference, and perception for learning. Let's go through them one by one. Puzzles and riddle-type questions boost critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and cognitive development. HOTS types questions develop analytical thinking skills. Value-based questions encourage thinking rationally, morally, and ethically about real-life situations. Competency-based questions improve analytical and logical reasoning and observation skills. Case study-based questions encourage students to apply mathematical knowledge to real-life situations. Art integration activities connect mathematical concepts with art and culture to foster creativity. And math lab activities encourage students to learn different problem-solving skills. With quality content just a scan away and its focus on holistic and activity-based learning, the Illustrative Mathematics series is a learning-made fun textbook that every learner and educator will love. Check out the Illustrative Mathematics series on our website meritbox.app and start learning anytime, anywhere, at your own pace.